Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change bank card on OnlyFans. So let's get started. First of all, open the OnlyFans website and log into your account. Once you are in, click on your profile picture at the top left corner. From the drop down menu, select bank if you are a creator or cards if you are a subscriber. Now you will see your current payment method. To remove the old card, click on crash pin icon or the delete option beside it. After removing the old one, you will see an option to add a new card. Click on that, then enter your new bank card details like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure the information is correct before saving. If you are a creator updating your payout method, you may also need to re-verify your identity or bank info depending on the country you are in. Once done, your new card will be linked to your OnlyFans account. And that's it. Now you know how to change bank card on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.